Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market, and today I have come up with the important and special video which is regarding the budget. As you all know that today the government of India has announced the budget, Union Budget 2024, and I will discuss the very important thing on the budget. I am not discussing the everything and in detail. I am discussing in very short and the very important thing. So stay connected till then and do not jump in. Listen carefully and yes, this is very important thing you should know. So I will discuss one by one the budget thing. So like and share the video also, and subscribe the channel for regular update of the index and nifty level and stock market news. So let's start the video. I will discuss one by one the very important things. So number one, which is very important to know, that is capex. How much capex government is actually doing? So capex, as you all know, the capital expenditure. So capital expenditure capex is at 11.11 lakh crore for the financial year of 2025, and this was the same in interim budget also. तो interim budget को ही repeat किया गया है, and it is remain on 11.11 lakh crore, which is good sign. Now number two is physical deficit. Yes, physical deficit is, as you all know, मैं बड़ी शॉर्ट में बता देना चाहती हूँ कि दिस इज एक्चुअली आवर एक्सपेंडिचर इज ऑलवेज हायर देन रेवेन्यू. सो जो एक्सपेंडिचर अगर रेवेन्यू से ज़्यादा होता है, मोर देन रेवेन्यू होता है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्चुअली फिजिकल डिफिसिट. तो फिजिकल डिफिसिट इज टारगेट जो रखा गया है for the financial year of 2025 is 4.9%. 4.9% of what? 4.9% of GDP. So one more time I'm repeating that physical deficit target is 4.9% of GDP for financial year of 2025, and हाँ, फाइनेंशियल ईयर ऑफ 2026 के लिए भी 4.5% का टारगेट रखा गया है, जो कि उसके बाद आता है. बट फर्स्ट लेट अस सी अबाउट द 4.9% फॉर FY 2025. That is number 2. Now I will come to the number 3. Number 3 is I will डिस्कस द टैक्स रिजीम. जो नया टैक्स रिजीम आया, जो कि क्या क्या हुआ है, दैट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस. नंबर 3 इज स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन. यस, एज यू ऑल नो दैट सैलरीड पर्सन को जो टैक्स देना होता है, उनको एक स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन, एक छूट मिलती है, विच इज कॉल्ड द स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन. एंड स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन गवर्नमेंट ने 25,000 से इंक्रीज कर दिया है. नाउ इट हैज इंक्रीज्ड बाय 25,000, and earlier it was 50,000, and now it has become 75,000. So now the salaried person will get the standard deduction of 75,000 in new tax regime. This is the important point for taxation. And one more important thing I am coming on, which is LTCG and STCG. सो LTCG में देखें तो उसमें सब कुछ आता है, लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन एंड शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन. जो कि लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट, सबसे पहला इफेक्ट ये करेगा स्टॉक मार्केट के लोगों को, जो हु आर इन्वेस्टिंग एंड ट्रेडिंग इन द स्टॉक मार्केट, दैट दिस टैक्स इज गोइंग टू अफेक्ट देम also. And the first thing, just LTCG का जो exemption amount है, that is hiked by 1.25,000, means 1,25,000 से छूट दी गई है, क्या कहते हैं, डिडक्शन दिया गया है, एंड ओवर दैट, मोर देन दैट, you have to pay the LTCG at the rate of 12.5%. 12.5% बढ़ा दिया गया है from 10% से. So this is little bit negative news for the stock market, or that's why our investors and traders are not that happy. And stock market has also shown the negative reaction about this news. And even this STCG, short term capital gain, if we talk about that, that is also increased by 5%. I mean, it was earlier, it was 15%, and now it has become 20%. So means जो FNO वाले हैं and traders हैं, तो उनके लिए this is also a bad news, as they are now going to pay the 24% tax on their profit. Now I will come to the tax slab, which is actually you should know. For actually this is for the salaried person कि उनको कितना exemption मिलता है. This is actually especially for the salaried person, that in new tax regime, from 0 to 3 lakhs, it is the tax rate is 0%. Means from 0 to 3 lakhs you don't have to pay tax. After 3 lakhs you have to pay the tax, and which is from 3 to 7 lakhs it is actually 5%, and from 7 to 10 lakh slab it is 10%, and from 10 to 12 lakh slab it is 15%, and from 12 to 15 lakh it is 20%, and even more than 15 lakh you have to pay 30%. So this is the slab I have discussed, and picture you can see the percentage also. So this is the slab, tax rate slab. And one more important news, that डिफेंस आउटले, डिफेंस के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने इंक्रीज किया है फ्रॉम 4.55 lakh which was in interim budget. Now it has increased to 4.56 lakh crore for the defense allocation. तो फ्रॉम 4.55 लाख करोड़ से 4.56 लाख करोड़ का डिफेंस को आउटले दिया गया है, तो विच इज़ अ गुड न्यूज़ फॉर द डिफेंस सेक्टर. हाँ, इफ मैं इम्पॉर्टेंट इसमें जाऊँ तो गवर्नमेंट ने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे, पावर एंड ग्रीन एनर्जी पे फोकस किया है. और यस, वन मोर थिंग, द कस्टम ड्यूटी ऑन गोल्ड. Custom duty on gold is reduced from 10% to 6%, which is a good news for the gold and jewelry sector. So, as you all know, important stock which is dealing in the gold, I will not take the name, but you all know that stock actually got the benefited with this custom duty, reduced custom duty. एंड यस, आज वो 6 से 7% भागा भी था आफ्टर दिस न्यूज़, आफ्टर दिस कस्टम ड्यूटी, reduced custom duty news. This was very short picture of the Union Budget 2024, and but yes, the point I have discussed, that was very very important to know you all, and I have discussed and taken very important point from the Union Budget. So if you have any question regarding any stock, or regarding the budget, or regarding the index, comment me in the comment box, or DM me in the Twitter and Instagram. ID is on your screen. And like and share the video, and subscribe the channel also for these kind of regular news update of the stock market, and the Nifty and index level update, and the stocks buying level. Signing off.